Hello GGs! Today I'm going to trade on gold again. This is Friday night with high impact news. So I'm going to go buy. The reason I go for buy is because in 4-hour charts, if you draw a trend line, something like this, by connecting two lows to form a trend line, so you will get a third point here. I can predict the third point is not good enough. I need more points for me to go buy. So here in the 1-hour chart, we have demand zone, rally, best rally. So this is a strong demand buy zone. Actually with the demand zone, I can directly go for a buy and put a stop loss somewhere around here. But I refuse to do so as I want to wait for the buy volumes to come in the market. As you can see, the green candle is coming out. So this will be my first TP and this will be my second TP. So for my style of trading, I don't like risk. After the market reach the first TP, I will close most of the order and hold only one entries with BE. Now be patient and wait for the market price to move.
Okay.
Oh yes, TP hit. Now I will choose to close most of the entry and hold only one entry with break even.
Maybe you were right.
Now let's set break even to my SL and try to hold to TP2 50 pips. This is what I call zero risk gambling.
Why, Semen?
Now I have to wait and wait again for the price market to move toward my TP2. You know, I can't wait to show you my ultra precision result.
1 hour later.
I don't think this is my lucky day. This setup hit my SL. Now, come on bro, there is only 0.42 left. It's okay, I find another setup. Wow, big groups go for sale. Wow, another big group go for sale.
Why, Semen?
The high impact news release. Oh, come on guys, I am independent trader. I have my own strategy. I am not part of them.
Okay.
Maybe they are in the correct way, but I will never be wrong.
I don't think
I
so.
secure my profit and set my whole entries with break even. Even though the chart show angels falling from the sky or waterfall, I will not lose anything. Again, I can't wait to show you my ultra precision in trading.
A few moments later.
I'm very sad now because I cannot show you my ultra precision on trading. But as I say, I can never be wrong. I hit SL with no loss. Today, no ultra precision, but I am very proud of myself. I can trade independently. I no need to follow anyone else to make my own profits. My ultra precision journey will continue next week. My name is CDS. Enjoy life and trade wisely.